Welcome to my channel. Becoming a millionaire on a low salary may seem impossible, but with the right strategy, it is achievable. Many self-made millionaires started from humble beginnings, proving that wealth building is more about smart financial choices than high earnings. The key to success lies in adopting a disciplined mindset, controlling expenses, and making the most of every dollar. By following a step-by-step approach that includes budgeting, saving, investing, and increasing income, the first step to financial success is mastering budgeting and smart money management. Many people struggle financially not because they don't earn enough, but because they fail to control their spending. Tracking expenses and following a structured plan like the 50/30/20 rule can help individuals allocate their income efficiently. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Using financial tools like Mint or YNAB can simplify this process and ensure that money is being used wisely. Saving money alone is not enough. Investing is essential for wealth growth. Building an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses is a crucial first step. Once financial security is established, investing in employer-sponsored retirement accounts like a 401k or opening a Roth IRA can set the foundation for long-term growth. Even with limited income, consistent contributions to low-cost index funds can yield significant returns over time thanks to compound interest. While saving and investing are important, increasing income can accelerate the journey to financial independence. Many millionaires diversify their income streams by upskilling, switching to higher-paying jobs, or engaging in side hustles. Freelancing, tutoring, or selling digital products can supplement primary income sources. Directing extra income into investments rather than lifestyle inflation can expedite wealth building. However, patience and financial discipline are key. Avoiding get-rich-quick schemes and focusing on long-term financial habits such as living below one's means and reinvesting earnings will ultimately lead to success. By committing to a well-structured financial plan, anyone can achieve millionaire status over time.